The Cottage House, designed by Atelier 1111, is set within the landscape of a large property in Grandola, a region located in southern Portugal. The quiet area is defined by cork trees, olive trees, protected stone pines, and a gently sloping topography that offers views of the Atlantic Ocean from its highest points. The building is one of 4 planned for the site, alongside a main house, a garage, and a swimming pool. All are distributed throughout the property to ensure and enhance their integration with the natural surroundings. The smallest of the 4, the Cottage House, is the first to be completed. It includes an entrance porch, a combined living and kitchen area, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a terrace. The Cottage House is integrated into the landscape through a strategy that creates 2 distinct effects. From the arrival path, the house appears as a visible volume. From the opposite direction, it presents itself as a low wall that traces the existing trees and a sculptural chimney by Rui Chafes. These trees imposed a precise set of parameters on the design team, guiding the layout of the floor plan. Its highlight is its simplicity, expressed through the essence of materials and geometry. The rawness and weight of the thick concrete walls are balanced by refined details like bronze window frames and brass interior doors, while local marble was used for the flooring. The raw materiality introduces an element of imperfection that offsets the clean geometry of the design. Thermal comfort was a major concern due to the region's high temperatures. Passive cooling strategies, such as a green roof and thick stone walls, were chosen instead of mechanical systems. The decision to use rammed concrete, common in southern Portugal, was driven by an interest in vernacular earthen construction techniques. Rammed earth was once widespread in Alentejo, and by the subtle dialogue between its texture and the cork trees.